Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is EXTREE Woman Winter Blanket. I'm purchasing this blanket from the Amazon, and this blanket price is a 17.45 euro. It's affordable and especially quality is impressive. I already added this link in video description. So look at this. I ordered here two colors. First of all, this color is much impressive. If you purchase this blanket and give it to your mother, your wife, or your daughter, so that would be is much impressive. Especially for this price, this quality and color is really impressive. You can use both side, like this side and this side as well, and just only 17 euro. You can make different styles as well, like this, look like this, or you can make some winter as well. So you can make as a professional way as well, like this. So more professional, and wear afterwards the blazer. It's much impressive as I am expecting. Especially the cloth quality is impressive for this price. Here in Copenhagen, Denmark, they are selling from Amazon. I already added link in video description. This is the simple unboxing and review video of EXTREE winter blanket, especially for women. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.